Welcome to Understand the Math. In this problem, we're told that we have a transformation T from R2 to R2, and it is a linear transformation, and we're told what T of 1, 0 is and T of 0, 1, and then we're asked to find the image of this vector 4, 3 under the transformation T. Let's try to understand what we're being asked to find. The image of any vector x under T is just A times x. Let's now remember what A is. A is our standard matrix, and A is defined as T of E1 and T of E2. Let me write down what E1 and E2 are. E1, because we're in R2, is going to be a 2 by 1 vector, and it's 1, 0. And then our E2 is equal to 0, 1. And these just come from our 2 by 2 identity, 1, 0, 0, 1. E1 is the first column, and then E2 is just the second column. Notice in our problem that this is E1 and this is E2, so we were actually given what T of E1 is and T of E2 is. What we're going to do to solve this problem is we're going to find our matrix A, and then because we want to find the image of x under T, which is A times x, we're going to compute A times x. Let's start by writing down what A is. So A is our T of E1, which is this vector. So this is 3 minus 2. And then our T of E2 is that vector, and that's a 1, 4. So we have our matrix A, and now all we have to do is find the image of 4, 3 under our transformation. So we're going to take A, and we're going to multiply it by x, which is our vector 4, 3. So let's write down A, 3, 1, minus 2, 4. And we'll multiply it by vector x, which is 4, 3. And this is equal to 12 plus 3, and then a minus 8 plus 12. So our answer is going to be a vector with the first component of 15 and the second component of 4. So vector 15, 4 is the image of vector 4, 3 under our transformation.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.